Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Business Hunters, and today we are going to be talking about Hawkit.ng review. I am going to give a sincere review about this website. Hawkit.ng is also like Owo Daily, where people go to this particular platform, put out their advertisement, and people come over there to do some menial jobs to earn some little cash from there. But a lot of people are taking it overboard, where some of these YouTubers will promise you that when you go to that website, you're going to make 20,000 naira per day, you're going to make 10,000 naira per day, you're going to make 5,000 naira per day. I want to give a sincere review about this particular website, but I want to put a caveat that whatever I am about to say in this video, it is not born out of hatred for this particular website. I'm actually giving a sincere review just to guide you on what to do when you are coming to register here. So stay tuned with me and listen to what I have to say. As you can see, I am already here on the platform, and this is my dashboard that you're seeing here. And if you look to my left hand side here, you're going to see like this: perform social task and earn money. So when you register, you're going to the registration fee is actually 1,000 naira. You're going to pay 1,000 naira to activate your account before you'll be able to perform any particular task on this platform. So when you're done with the registration, you're going to come here and see all of this. If you're somebody who, like a YouTuber who is doing YouTube, or you have a social media presence like a Facebook page, like Instagram, like WhatsApp, like Twitter, and you want followers, you can actually come and click on this and you advertise your product here. So people will come and like your page and follow you up. Well, what I want to talk about here, it is the potentiality of making that kind of money on this platform. I want to tell you if it is possible to make such money on daily basis on this platform, or if it is not. So I am also going to show you how you can actually make real money on this platform. So that's what I want to be talking about here. So if you look at this side, this is where you come and advertise your product. You can also sell things like maybe you have a physical item that you want to sell. Like maybe look at all these things that you're seeing here. These are people advertising their products, selling stuff here. So for those who come here to do menial job to earn money, look at my right hand side here. This is somebody. This is Z Baby from in Weri North, Anambra State. Just N3 naira. She just liked a page, a Facebook page, and she earned 3 naira. Look at this one here, Instagram 3 naira. Look at Instagram 3 naira. All of it. Little funds that people are making on this platform. But when somebody is telling you that you can come here and make 5,000 naira on daily basis, how are you going to make this kind of funds? How much job are you going to perform on this platform to make up to 5,000 naira per day? Some people even say 20,000 naira, that you can make, that she makes 20,000 naira per day. Let me show you something here. Let me show you. I'm going to show you. Look at this person here. 30,000 naira in one day on Hawkit. She makes 30,000 naira in one day. So the question is, what exactly is she doing on this platform to make 30,000 naira in one day? There is a secret they are not revealing to you, and I'm going to expose that secret in this video as we go along. I'm not doubting that they are not making 30,000 naira, but I want to tell you exactly how they are making that 30,000 naira. That it is not possible for you, a newbie who is stepping into this platform, to make that kind of money. It is not possible. You can't even make 1,000 naira per day, not even 500 naira per day. How much job are you going to be performing? Earning 3 naira per job. Though there are some jobs that you can earn up to 50 naira, some 30 naira. If you subscribe to somebody's YouTube channel, for instance, you can earn up to 50 naira. Let's say you go to somebody's YouTube channel to comment, you can earn up to 30 naira. But I doubt if you will be able to earn 500 naira per day doing this kind of jobs. And look at it, before you earn it, it's not that you come on the platform and you see jobs available for you to do as much as you want. They are going to be assigning jobs to you, sending you emails. As you can see here, on my platform here, look at it. Today, look at what they sent to me today. You have a new task entitled Follow People and Pages. Log into your Hawkit app immediately to perform this task. So today, as we speak today, this is the job that I have gotten, only this job here that they have assigned to me today. So this is the time is to 3 already, and I have only one job today, and this job is not going to be more than 3 naira. So in what way are you going to make this kind of money? So I'm going to tell you why these people that are making, like this one that says she's making 30,000 naira per day, how she's actually, if she's making that money, look at her dashboard. You can see that it's 30,000 naira on her dashboard for real here. It is real. But there's something she's doing that she's not telling you. They are just dragging you into the platform. When you sign up, they just leave you there. So for instance, now, let me show you what these guys are doing to make this money. When they come up this platform and they register, they have what is called a referral link. That referral link, they take it from there because they've already established themselves on YouTube. They make a video like this one here, and under their video, they inserted that referral link under their videos here. As people are watching this particular video, look at this, she has about 9,000 views. So in the course of telling her audience about this particular website called Hawkit, she's going to direct them to go to click her link under the video and sign up into that particular website. As you're signing up there and you are activating your account by paying 1,000 naira, she gets a commission for about, let's say, 400 naira commission per sign up. When somebody pays 1,000 naira, she's going to get like 400 naira commission. So imagine if these people that watched her video here, these 4,000 people sign up, she could even make more than this amount. That is the way they are making heavy money on this platform. But you as a newbie, I'm going to show you a way that you can also make money if you actually want to sign up. So stay tuned and watch this video. So this is what they are doing to make this money. Just from referral link, because they already have the audience on YouTube. So you as a newbie who is coming in, I want to show you how you can actually make money on this platform. Let's say you are somebody like you have an account on Facebook and you also have some friends on Facebook, or if you know how to run a Facebook advertisement, you can create a Facebook advertisement inviting people, telling people that, okay, somebody who is looking for followers on Instagram, somebody who is looking for more followers on all these social medias. You can run your advertisement targeting them, inviting them, telling them you can drive more traffic to their website, bringing them more followers. Let's say per follower, let's say this one is 3 naira here. You will give that your person per follower, you can collect like 10 naira, 15 naira from that your customer, and you come and advertise it here. Then when you advertise it here, maybe you pay like 5 naira to Hawkit.ng, then you keep the remaining balance. Let's say you are giving your customer per follower, you're giving her like 50 naira, or some people may even give it at 20 naira per follower, Instagram follower or Twitter or whatever social media that you are doing. So you come here, you minus 5 naira that you will pay to Hawkit.ng, you have 15 naira to yourself. So let's say you are giving that person 5,000 followers. You see, If you're giving that person 5,000 followers, you're making 75,000 naira from that alone. And this is how you do it. You come here, you come and click here. Okay, let's say you want to buy real followers. You click it here. You come here, you say, okay, let's say it's Instagram followers that you want to do. Then, so this is what you do. You're going to choose Instagram here. You're going to choose the number of followers that you want to give to your customer. Let's say 5,000. Then the gender, you want to choose the gender. The location, if it is all Nigeria that you want to advertise to, then select region. If it is all religion, rather, if it is all religion that you want to, then you're going to collect the Instagram link of that your customer and put it here. When you put that link here, you are going to submit. When you submit, the balance will appear here. You're going to pay for this advertisement. So that is how you can make money as an individual, as a newbie. But it's not by doing this little 3 naira jobs that you can make money on this portal. So that's all I have in this video. If you like what I've shared so far in this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that when I upload subsequent videos like this, you will have access to it. I also have another video on Owo Daily. Owo Daily is a kind of platform like this particular one I'm showing you here. I made a video about it as well. I will leave the link to Owo Daily video on the link below that you can also go and test that one as well. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I really appreciate your time. Goodbye.